Merry Christmas to all my viewers. So, finally, we are back to Kerala to celebrate the very big Christmas. So, in Kerala, Christmas is celebrated in a very big manner. So, I'm going to show you in this video how are we celebrating Christmas this year in Kerala. So, you have to watch this entire video and let me know how do you celebrate it. Hello everyone. They are making fun of me just because I make vlog everywhere and take them randomly. So, we are dressed up in red, red and white. So you can understand today is Christmas and we three are going to, where are we going? To Kochi's Christmas hub, that is Fort Kochi. So let's see if we are going to reach on time. We were supposed to go by 4:30 and we three woke up at 4:30. She was awake but she didn't let us know because she was watching a movie. So,
I put alarm actually.
and she put an alarm of 4:30 a.m. Because of that we became late and now we are going. We do not know whether we are going to come back or not. So hope for the best. Let's go to Fort Kochi.
This is the message to your manager.
In Kerala, Fort Kochi is the biggest hub of celebrating Christmas. It's not the biggest hub, it is one of the biggest hub. I do not know in which all places Christmas is celebrated in a huge manner. So you can comment over there in Kerala which are those places. So we are going from Kakanad to Vaitla via water metro. So I have made so many videos on this water metro. So we're just trying to steal this boy's seat. Anyway, they are not going to have any view out of it. He's also laughing. We were just trying to take this boy's seat and they are laughing to the fullest. Why are you laughing? we just ran to take the seat and then we were not getting it. So we asked them to move. Instead of moving, they're laughing. We do not know the reason now. So here's the fact, Kochi is the first place in India to have water metro and you can see the views are really good. In Kerala the views are almost like this. We are at Vaitla hub. There's no bus. There's no bus to Fort Kochi, they are saying. But I went from
There is no bus to Fort Kochi.
But I went from here, that's what I'm telling. There is. We can ask some conductor. I was unable to make that video, but after changing 3 buses, we have finally reached here. So it was really very hard to reach to Fort Kochi at this time because it's too much rush. I can't show you the entire thing because even I am standing somehow over here. But the rush is too much because people not only from Kochi, Kerala, from outside India also people are coming to see this. Let's take this tent also. Forgive us for our singing skills because we do not sing that really well, but you can enjoy the views over here. Like, so much of effort has been put in decorating the entire Fort Kochi, but there is too much of rush. As you can see over here, so many people are there and it's around night. This is my 4th year in Kerala and I will tell you that this is the favorite time of me in Kerala during the time of Christmas. So we are entering in Info Park now. In Info Park, Christmas is celebrated in a very big manner. You can say like that manner I am saying because so many Christmas carols happen, so many programs happen say over here, and Info Park is always decorated for some reason. Either it is some Info Park program, either it's Onam, or either it's Christmas. So now you can see like it is being decorated for Christmas. Nowadays this metro work is going on, so because of that so much of like construction work is happening over there, but Info Park doesn't forgets to celebrate the big event. So now you can see over here every time they changes the light and decoration and it really looks good for everyone. So like for me, whenever I see okay Info Park is getting decorated, so some big function is coming. These are the inside glimpse of how we are celebrating Christmas in our building. So this is our building where we work, and some companies comes with their carol team and they will just start doing this. It is so much fun to see, like they will come visit us. Like I told you, after wearing this Santa's dress, people dances like too much because no one can understand who is behind this Christmas this Santa dress, no. So they will dance too much and the other teams will be like enjoying too much to the best level. So this kind of music is called as dole music in our side, but here during the time of carol they plays it and Santa dances to the fullest, as you can see over here. Clap at least, cheer them up. This is the music which everyone feels like dancing after hearing this, so even I am feeling like that. So now I am going to show you how they are playing it. First you should see their coordination, like the way they are coordinating with each other and the people are dancing on the other side, that I was not taking at all. But this is the thing which I am going to show you. So if you are sitting on your sofas, you are required to dance and enjoy Kerala's Christmas carol. क्रिसमस के लिए रेडी होने के लिए अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ पार्लर. सो पार्लर में मैं आई हूँ हेयर कट कराने, इससे ज़्यादा तो मैं कुछ नहीं करा सकती हूँ. और हेयर कट के बाद मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड आए हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा रिफ़्रेशमेंट के लिए. नाउ आई हैव सो मैनी मल्लू फ्रेंड्स विद whom I can enjoy my Christmas. So now it's the time to go to the main Christmas party. In Kerala's Christmas, wine is the most important thing as well as plum cake. So if you have a Mallu friend, you should really ask them to bring some plum cake for you, because plum cake is the most tastiest thing in, I think only in Kerala I have eaten this. Apart from Kerala, I have never seen plum cake anywhere. I have seen, but the taste is not as similar as it. So after having wine and tastiest plum cake, we have danced a lot. So this is how a Christmas party is supposed to end up. Lot of fun, lot of joy. So this was my Christmas in Kerala in 2024. So this was my Christmas in Kerala. Please do let me know how did your Christmas went, and if I have missed anything from Kerala's Christmas, so please comment so that I should and my viewers should know how Christmas is celebrated in Kerala. Anyway, this is my 4th year and I am so happy to be here to celebrate Christmas. So luckily I didn't miss my Christmas, even though I went to North India, but I came back on time just to attend my Christmas in Kerala. That's how much, like, this is my love towards Kerala and my Malayali friends. I really enjoy dancing with them, moving, like roaming around with them. So now I'm totally transformed into a Mallu, and now I'm going to give thanks to the people who really loves my video and like who comments so often in my videos. So now in the end of this video, in the end of every video, I'm going to attach the comments which I really like. So this is my way of showing gratitude to the people who really watch my video. So first is Mr. Babu Jose. Thank you so much for commenting in this way. I am watching your comments for so many videos. You have really commented so nicely. And Anup Devse, I do not know whether I'm pronouncing your name right or not, but always you are the first who watches my video. So I'm really thankful to you. And Soren Doshi, I personally do not know you, but the way you comment so elaborately, I really like it. Keep commenting, keep subscribing. And Mr. Dineshan, the way you have noticed the details of my video, I really loved it. Thank you so much for liking my video this much.